Hello and welcome to STWebDesigner. In today's tutorial, we're going to be linking our screens that we imported into our Marble project last week together to create a fully working prototype. To link the screens together, we need to go on View mode, and to do that, we hover over a screen and click View. I'm just going to minimize this so you can see a bit more. And so on this design we have this navigation, and to make it a working prototype we really need those navigations to link to the correct screens so that when you show a client they can go through each page with ease. So to do that we're going to create a hotspot over the navigation links and link them to the correct screen. So to do this we drag and draw a hotspot around the word, and we get this pop up here, and we find the screen we want to link it to and click it. A great tool in Marble that allows you to save time is that you can then duplicate that link onto all the other screens. Now a quick point to make is that you can't create a link and link it to the current page that you're on. So for example, if I wanted to create a link for the home page here, so I want this logo to link to the home page, I can't actually select the home page because I'm already on that current screen. So if I wanted to make that link a link, I would then have to go onto another screen and create it on that screen, because the page now becomes available. And then to get it on the home page that we were on before, I simply duplicate that across. So what I'm going to do very quickly is I'm going to add the links on here and duplicate them across the other pages. So I've now added links to all these navigation links, so it should all link to every page. So I'm going to test that by pressing play up here. So we can see our design here, and we can now navigate through the whole website as you would if it had been coded. So at this stage right now, this is a fully working prototype that you could show your client to show how they would navigate through the website. Now there are a few other things I want to show you which you can make more interactivity within this prototype. So the first is that there are other settings within adding a link here. So we've got two other tabs here that I've not shown you yet. The first is screen transitions. Now this allows you to add a transition when you click on a link. So if I wanted the page to say, let's have a look what we've got, flip, when you click on the activities link, I'd select flip and press close. And I'll test that by pressing play again. So when I click activities, instead of just going on to the page like this, it should flip. Let's have a look. So as you can see, the whole page flipped. Now obviously with the screen transitions you need to make sure that it's actually right for the type of link it is. but I was just using that one to just demonstrate it working. So on here I'm just going to go back and remove. The other tab here is an action tab, which allows you to decide what the user has to do to make the action happen. So on this link here that we've created, all they need to do is click or tap, depending on if they're using a mobile phone or a touchscreen device, and that link will open what we've linked it to. So for this one, it's the activities page. But you can have a different action state. So you can make the user swipe or pinch in and out or double tap before the action can happen. You can also show a hover state as well. The final thing I want to show you before I end this tutorial is how to link to an external website. So if we go down the page a minute and we create a hotspot over this button, I want that button to link to an external page. And to do that, we press this button here, link to URL or embed. Now, I'm not going to show you the embed feature because I feel like it doesn't really work. So I'm going to show you how to link to an external page. So all you need to do is put in the URL. So I'm just going to link it to Google for now. And you can either have that go over the page already, or you can get it to open in a new window. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to press save, press play. So when I click on this button, it should open a new window and take me to Google's home page, which it does. The final thing that you can do under this tab is you can link it to an email. So when you click on it, it will open up and allow you to send an email. So I put in my email here, and press save, and when I press play, when I click on this button, it brings up this. And I think if I had a mail host on here, it will bring that up instead of this page. So we've now linked all our pages together using hotspots and linking them to the page. We have now created a fully working prototype that you can send to clients to show how the website or app would work. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you next week where we make our prototype a little more complex. Bye for now.